So, anyway, congratulations for being part of the 3x3 team. What are you looking forward to sa competition?
First of all, nagpapasalamat ako sa opportunity kay Coach JJ para makalaro ngayon sa AFC or UP, of course. It's always, always take pride in playing for our university. So, malaking bagay pa rin, especially kasama ko yung mga teammates ko. Si Migs, sila po, Paolo. So, very excited ako na makalaro ngayon.
So, LA, coming from your injury, how are you? And are you fully recovered? 100% na ba pwede mo ilang?
100% now. Since last year naman yung season. And I believe it's my 2 years now since my injury. So I'm very excited na magkaroon ng opportunity sa 3x3 rin na mag-perform and makalaro.
Message mo sa UP community at yun, anong masasabi mo sa kanila?
Hello UP community, sobrang salamat sa suporta niyo sa amin. Hindi lang sa 5-on-5, pwede na rin sa lahat ng UP athletes, especially this second sem, including yung 3x3. Sana makita namin kayo sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay.